Hi Stampers, this is Karen Phillip. I'm a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator and I'm pleased to show you how to make this cute little gingerbread house that is a candy holder, and this one just fits a kiss inside. And I use the peppermint kisses just to emulate the little peppermint embellishment on the front and on the back. Here's another version of not peppermint but just a house. And this can be used for like a housewarming gift or anything like that, or a little party, whatever kind of party you do. And then this one is a little bit bigger because I messed up on the size that well, I didn't mess up, but I thought I wanted this size, but I really wanted the 1 by 1 inch inside. So this just shows you though you could put different sizes in here for your box. It doesn't matter what size the box is. So let's get started. I am using the Humble Home bundle. This will be, it's on back order, or not back order, but you can't get it until December 2nd, I believe it is. But this is really a cool bundle. And we're using the gingerbread house here. And what I did to save time is I did already stamp it, embossed it in white embossing powder, and then I took a marker, the Stampin' Right marker, this is Pecan Pie, and I'm just coloring in the door. And the markers work a little bit better than the blends because when you color on top of a color with the blends, they kind of get absorbed and they don't like pop out as well as the actual markers. So now we have that. Now to make the box, you need a 2.5, this to get the 1 inch size, it's a 2.5 by 2.5 inch square, and it's scored at 3/4 inch, turn it, 3/4 inch, turn it, 3/4 inch, and turn it, and 3/4 inch. So we will take our square that's been scored and folded, and we will snip it along the bottom and the top. Well, now they're both bottoms, and you'll just put a little slit up to the score line, just the top and bottom here. Then you will make little notches on the outside of your flaps, the end outside flaps. Makes it easier so it's not so bulky. Okay, get rid of the scraps. Okay, on your instruction sheet it will look like this, and these will just fold, you glue it down, and then this bottom part has a little diagram on it, how you snip it. This is incorrect, so you just have to do it on these flaps, not on the center. If you do it wrong, it's okay, but it doesn't look as nice, that's all. Alright, now we need to glue this as a box. So we're going to push these in, put a little glue on each end, and you want this bigger center flap on the outside. So we're going to fold this up, put this together, and lift up. This forms the back, well, one part of your box, like so. My finger's in the way. So it'll look like that. And turn it and do the other one. It's so teensy. But this can be done with any kind of shape, or like any front and back. You could do fruit or whatever you'd like. Alright, so then this, here's your two flaps, fold them into each other and up. Hold it for a moment. And then what I found, if you did mess up on this part of it and your flaps aren't the correct way, you can put your house on that part. However, what I found is these sides are a little bit floppy, so that's where I would put the house. So these will actually be the sides, and this will be the front and back. So we're just going to put a little bit of glue on here, on the front, set it down, kind of line it up in the center, lift it up so you have it like this. You can see the sides are the same and it's bottom's even. And you'll do the same on the other end. And again, this is on the non-flapped up side, because then the sides will be reinforced. Push it down and make sure it's even. You can make sure it's even this way. And then I have these peppermint gems. What are they called? Real red and white adhesive back peppermints. And they are in stock today. That doesn't mean anything as far as if they're going to be in stock tomorrow. But then you'll just put one of those on your front, right here, over the heart, and on the other side. And add a peppermint inside, or just a kiss. And that's how you have a cute little favor. So thanks for watching, and have a great day.